In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create redirect rules in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter so your visitors are seamlessly sent from one URL to another without touching your origin server. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. From your dashboard, look over your list of sites and click the specific domain you want to manage. Taking a second to confirm the right domain here is important because redirects apply only to the property you select. With the domain open, head to the navigation and click Rules, then Overview. This area is where Cloudflare centralizes powerful behaviors like redirects, so it's the right place to control how traffic flows before it ever reaches your server. Next, click Create Rule. You'll see options for different kinds of rules. Choose Redirect Rule. A redirect rule tells Cloudflare to catch a request that matches what you specify and immediately send the visitor to a different URL. This happens at the edge, which keeps things fast and reliable. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name. A good name helps you recognize its purpose later, especially if you create multiple redirects. For example, you might name it something like old promo page to new landing page rather than something generic. Now paste the request URL. This is the address people currently try to visit, the one you want to move them away from. Then paste the target URL. This is the destination where you want those visitors to land. Use full URLs, including the protocol, such as HTTPS, to avoid ambiguity. Be mindful of trailing slashes. For many sites, example.com page and example.com page can be treated differently. Also make sure you're not redirecting a URL to itself, which would create a loop. If you're consolidating www and non-www, or moving from HTTP to HTTPS, consistency in how you write the URLs will keep things clean. If your new destination lives on a different path or subdomain, that's fine. Just confirm the target is active and publicly reachable. A quick sanity check of spelling, hyphens, and numbers can save troubleshooting later. Once everything looks right, click Deploy. Cloudflare will roll out your redirect across its global network, so changes typically take effect very quickly. If something doesn't behave as expected, revisit the rule's name and both URLs for typos or mismatched slashes. Keeping your rule names organized and your URLs exact will make future updates effortless. That's it. You've created a redirect rule in Cloudflare, guiding visitors to the right place with speed and precision.